Welcome to your second math lesson, kindergarten students. So I have a very unhappy Cali Cat here because there were two problems on this math worksheet that he could not solve and he needed a little bit more help. So I'm going to go back to the Saxon math book and I'm going to help him with that. And remember, when you don't know how to do something, you can stop, take a break, ask for help, and it's all okay. We're going to get there. And when you don't know how to do something, it's a good thing because that's your mind trying to grow. And it goes and stops and starts like the little engine that could, I think I can, I think I can. And then that little engine finally gets to the top and gets down to the other side. So we're going to use a lot of that I think I can today. So if you'll see, Cali Cat was unable to solve this problem right here, 9 plus 2. Because Cali Cat loves using fingers, but Cali Cat ran out of fingers. And it's true, that happens. So this is where either having 10 pennies or 10 dimes, the linking cubes are helpful. So if we look at that problem 9 plus 2, you actually are going to need your second block of linking cubes. I gave you 10 of those, 20 altogether. I mean, two different strips of 10. So what's helpful here when you use those is you're going to count those out. So let's count out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Someone got pushed together again. 8 and 9. Okay, so I don't want to cover the problem. I'm going to add 2 more. 1, 2. Okay, so I have 9. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I'm touching each dot, each like little indentation. It helps me keep count. So I'm going to do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10, 11. Ooh, that's one of Cali Cat's favorite numbers because it's 2 ones, 11. How fun is that? Okay, so that one's done. Then we're going to go down here. Our doubles, 8 plus 8. So normally we use tapping on the head to do that. So maybe I can use Cali Cat to do this. So what you want to do is you have to count out 8 fingers. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to tap yourself or Cali Cat. You say 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we got 16 that way. But I also want to show you another way in case you don't want to keep tapping on your head or remembering the first number in your head can be a little sometimes frustrating if you can't remember. So we're going to use our blocks again. And I'm holding the camera, so I'll put that down so I can do this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, there's my first set of 8. Now I have to put in a second set of 8. Okay, so let me move this back a little bit, but I don't want to cover the problem, so I'll move those up. I still want you to be able to see them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so you can either use your finger to touch each one or go ahead and you can use your pencil eraser because it fits pretty good, or your pencil, and just start counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, so the 16 is the 1 first and then the 6. And boys and girls, I forgot to mention this, but you have your homework folders, your green homework folders at home, and I'll try to show that in the next video. Have that out in front of you. On the inside, if you open it where the 2 pockets are, there's a number line that goes all the way up to 30, and the odd and even numbers are even red and blue like we do on our Zero the Hero wall. So I'm going to push this out of the way. Now normally, and I'm going to have to clip down on the chart for this, I should be, yeah, I'm on green today, but this is going to put me down to yellow because I'm not going to clean this up right now. So that's going to be a yellow. As soon as I clean it up, I get to go back up to green. So I'm making sure that I monitor my behavior too when I do this. So I will get myself, you'll see by the next video that I'll get myself back up to yellow. I'll promise I'll clean all that up because I want you to go to the next video. The next activity, which is your connect the dots. Now, this is about sequencing, and what I want you to do first is write your name here at the bottom. So I'm going to write my name on this. Miss Clutie. So write your name with your pencil at the bottom. Okay, so this is really easy, really fun. I want you to have fun with this. I want this, for these dot to dots, sometimes they don't just keep going. So if you notice here, it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then when you're done with that, it's going to start over again at 1. So 1, 2, oops, I have to move this over, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And this is either a crocodile or an alligator, and then you can find your crayons and then go ahead and color your picture any way you want. If you want to put yourself in a picture in here, like you just are going for a ride on the back of a crocodile, why not? You could be a crocodile cowboy or cowgirl today. Have fun with it. That's all you're going to be doing on this video. And then I wanted to go back to the math page. So here's your chance to check your work in your Saxon math book. So I'm going to slowly pan over this. This has all the correct answers written into it. So check your answers. I'm going to do this slowly, and I'm going to pan up and up. And parents, if you want to pause the video so your children can check their work. If you don't, if all your answers are not correct, go back and check. See what you might have done. Maybe you added instead of subtracted, and that's okay. That's all part of the learning process. And erasers are for that. Erasers are about doing things again. And we love erasers in this classroom. And we turn things, and we can do a beautiful oops, right? So if you go back and once you check your answers and your answers are all correct, you get to give yourself your exit ticket at the top. And that would be your smiley face. Now, for those students who really, really love doing addition and subtraction, I'm going to turn the page. This is completely independent practice here, and you can do that page on your own. All right, but if you don't want to do it, that's fine too. Callie Cat's not going to do it. But yeah, if you want to challenge yourself, go ahead and do that. All right, I'll see you again soon.